Hello everyone to this week's Minecraft video update. I've got a few things to talk about for our hard mode world, and I'm also just kind of looking around and seeing what you guys have done so far. So this is the Team Magenta. They've got their treehouse storehouse, and also kind of where they're going to set up some housing. And they've got a teleport out to a nice cool mesa area so they can explore another biome pretty well. And they also completed some of the larger quests. So I have started to give out the rewards for all the different little things that everybody completed. Whenever you complete one of the tasks, the idea is that I'm going to give you guys chests, and these chests are going to have items that you can basically buy for $1. So they're pretty close to being free. So each different um, objective gives you a different thing, and I'll have the listed the class on Wednesday so you guys can all take a look. But the idea is just do as many as you can, and the more free stuff you'll start unlocking for your town to give you more and more uh, access to things to speed things up and give you more like armor and weapons, some other stuff. So we'll talk about that on Wednesday a little bit, but for right now they've unlocked really cheap rails, torches, and flower pots. Um, in their area, they mined out a tree, and they went over to the Mesa area. There's a big tower over there. Let's see if they go find that this next weekend. All right, go back to our spawn. I've added another town teleport area just in case we need one with a few more students showing up possibly this week. Now let's go look at Cayenne. So Cayenne, they've got started on their house and some buildings. They found, they also found this, and they also found a tower. Let's go look at that mage tower they found. That's pretty cool. So there's lots of these towers throughout the world and different structures. There's lots of really cool things you'll see as you explore. Exploring's really big. This whole world that got generated, I used a really cool generation mod that has tons of these objects and stuff, and there's just lots to find throughout the areas. From where these towers are, there's stuff. Usually, there's treasure chest up above, and there's treasure chest down below. So don't just think that wherever you found an entrance is the only thing in the building. Really explore and dig your way through some of this stuff. It looks like they've started working their way in. And let's go see, what did they unlock? So they've got minecarts, and they've got empty maps, so they can start mapping out their area a little bit better and not get lost as much. All right. And our yellow team. So yellow team, they spent most of their time actually exploring up to one of the floating islands, and they've managed to get up there so I could put a teleport up there for them. So they might make this their home base, and they can teleport down whenever they want to. But you can see they're pretty far up. They had to be, it was pretty tricky for them. They had to take the water elevators pretty much all the way up to get up here. But it's jungle wood, got lots of cocoa beans, so they can start making chocolate chip cookies, because they also got cows up here. And as long as they, set up some housing and some defenses, this will be a pretty safe place to be. And it's pretty cool to be up in the floating islands. All right, so quick look at what we've been doing and how we're progressing. Um, and this week we'll be continuing on with our goals to complete that first set of quests. I have the second set of quests completed, written out and everything. So I think once you guys get about 80% of the first level of quests completed, I'll open up the second stuff to that team so they can start working on those. And those have rewards also that are more powerful and more complicated. And then once we get enough of the second tier of quests done, I'll open up the final quest to help create our portal back to the main adventure world. So that's the plan right now, and we'll see how we do next week. I've been pretty happy with a lot of the teamwork that's been going on, and I hope to see more of it this next week. All right, I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.